So you clicked on this video because you don't have this button, right? Well, haha, you suck. No, I'm kidding. I'm actually gonna show you how to get that button because I also have the same problem, and I know a bunch of people are trying to solve this problem too, and no one has seemed to figure it out for some reason. But if this video helps you, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, because I really don't have to be doing this, but I want to do it because I want to help you guys. So help me out, hit the subscribe button, and let's get right into it. The first thing we're gonna do is find your OBS original folder, okay? So then for mine, it's just gonna, I already named it webcam, and this folder is for my OBS. So go find your own wherever it's at. It could be in your downloads, it could be anywhere, okay? But it should be named OBS. Just find that folder. Then once we're here, we're gonna go click on data, boom, OBS plugins right there. And then I want you to scroll down till you find WinD Show, okay? Click on WinD Show, and then we'll see this virtualcam-installer.bat, okay? I want you to double click that. And if this pops up, because we fucked up, okay? I want you to right click it actually, and then click run as administrator. And then you're gonna get a little pop-up, click yes. And then this is gonna show up, and then it says press any key. And then you're just gonna press any key on your keyboard, boom. And that should just reinstall the virtual cam on your OBS. So then close everything out, and then you want to launch your OBS, and boom, it should be right down here. It's very simple, but no one has figured it out for some reason. And you're welcome. Please, please, please leave a subscribe down below, okay? That's all I'm asking, okay? That's it for this video. Peace out.